An unknown compound is composed of carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and chlorine. 0.217 grams of this unknown is burned in oxygen and produces 0.4964 grams of carbon dioxide and 0.8846 grams of water. A 0.1696 gram of the unknown is fused with sodium metal and reacted with silver nitrate. This produces 0.1891 grams of silver chloride. What is the empirical formula of the compound? Like all empirical formula problems, the first step is to determine the mass of each element in the compound. The carbon in the compound was converted to carbon dioxide when it was burned. A 44-gram sample of carbon dioxide, the amount in 1 mole, will always contain 12 grams of carbon. Multiply this by the grams of carbon dioxide produced to get the mass of carbon in the unknown. Repeat this for the hydrogen using the water instead of the carbon dioxide. An 18.02 gram sample of water, again the amount in 1 mole, will always contain 2.02 grams of hydrogen. Multiply this by the grams of water produced to get the mass of hydrogen in the unknown. The chlorine was converted to silver chloride. However, the mass used in this conversion is different than the one used for the carbon and the hydrogen. This must be corrected for, but we'll get to that in a moment. 1 mole of silver chloride has a mass of 143.3 grams. Of this, 35.45 grams will always be from chlorine. Multiply this by the grams of silver chloride to get the mass of chlorine. To correct for the different sample sizes, set up a proportion with the unknown being the mass of chlorine in the 0.2417 gram sample. Solve for x. Once again, this is important because the mass of carbon and hydrogen is based off of this original amount. Now we need the mass of oxygen. But because we have the mass of the other 3 elements, oxygen can be easily calculated by difference. Next, convert all of the grams of each element to moles. Divide these mole amounts by the lowest mole amount. These numbers are the formula subscripts for the corresponding element. The empirical formula for this unknown is C6H5OCl. Thanks for watching.